Anthropic's paid subscribers more than doubled in the first 3 months of 2026. Millions of people paying $20 a month for Claude Pro, which means millions of people asking the same question. Is it actually worth it? Honest answer. For most people, yes, but probably not for the reason you think. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario. Let us be honest about this. First, the free plan is genuinely good. It got better in March 2026. Free plan gives you Claude Sonnet 4.6, the actual model, not stripped down. Persistent memory, projects and skills, interactive charts and artifacts. The catch? Roughly 15 messages per 5-hour window. Resets rolling, tighter during peak hours. Light use, a few questions a day. Free plan is probably enough. What changes with Pro at $20 a month? Claude Code, this is the biggest one most people miss. The AI agent that runs on your computer, reads your files, executes tasks autonomously, included with the Pro at no extra charge. That alone justifies the price for many people. Opus 4.6, Anthropic's most capable model for complex reasoning and long documents. Extended thinking. Claude shows its reasoning before answering, catches its own mistakes mid-thought, noticeably better for hard questions. Dispatch. Text Claude tasks from your phone. Requires Pro. Computer use. Claude controls your Mac. Requires Pro as well. More usage, significantly more messages per window. Off-peak, evenings and weekends limits are doubled. Who should upgrade? You keep hitting limits before your working day is done. You want Claude Code. You do complex writing or research daily. You want dispatch or computer use. Now, who should stay free? You use Claude a few times a week. Simple tasks, simple answers. Free plan keeps up with you. The trigger, if you hit the free limit more than twice a week, that is your sign. What about max at $100 or $200? Max at $100, 5 times the usage of Pro. Max at $200, 20 times the usage of Pro. For developers running long Claude Code sessions daily, for businesses using Claude as a core workflow tool all day, for most individuals, Pro at $20 is the right tier. If you hit Pro limits regularly, upgrade to the $100 max. If you're a professional with heavy use, you can upgrade to the $200 plan. Is Claude Pro worth $20? Use AI seriously for work, building, daily productivity? Yes, clearly. Use it occasionally. Free plan keeps up? No, stay free. The trigger, hit the free limit more than twice a week, then upgrade. Free plan or Pro, and why? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of you. Subscribe for more plain English AI every single day. See you next time.